In this video, I will show you how to insert Gmail symbol in Word. Please open your Chrome browser and in the Google search bar, type Gmail symbol. Up Gmail symbol PNG and go to the images and here select the image you want to insert. So I am inserting this one. I think this is much better. So I'm clicking on that. Okay. Then right click and save image as, and on the desktop save it to the desktop and save. Go back to your page, place the cursor where you want to insert the Gmail symbol and then go to the insert on the upper menu bar and click on the picture and then click on this device and then click on the desktop and here the image of the Gmail symbol we have saved from the Google. Double click and you can see that the Gmail symbol has been pasted over. Drag it and make it short. Moreover, when you're trying to move this Gmail symbol, you are not able to move it left or right or even on the surface of the page. So what you have to do is click on the right side and you will see the layout option. Click on that and after that you need to click on the in front of text. Click on that and close it. And now you can see that you can move around the Gmail symbol anywhere on the Word document page. Moreover, if you want to make a border around the symbol, you can easily make it. Click on the symbol and then on the right click and go to the format picture. You will see a format picture window pane will be open on the right side and then click on the bucket and here you will see that line. So you can select the line from here and select the color of your choice and then increase the transparency or decrease the transparency, make it the width. If you want to make it bigger, then you can make it bigger and here you can select the border styles. So you can select any of them and you will be familiar with the more options. So for the time being it is enough. So in this way you can see that I have inserted Gmail symbol in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you think the video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.